In today's tutorial, we will talk about the 7 best apps to transfer data from Android to iOS. Without further ado, let's get down to business now. Part 1. The best app to transfer data from Android to iPhone. What's the most powerful cross-platform content transfer solution? Or to be precise here, what's the best Android to iPhone transfer app or tool? Mobican Transfer for Mobile Win and Mac may be worthy of the title. With a stripped-down user interface, this amazing software can transfer large files between almost any two mobile phones. It can copy data across at a single time, along with maintaining the quality. Part 2. Other 6 Android to iPhone transfer apps. 1. Phonecopy Phone Transfer. Phonecopy Phone Transfer, the second best file transfer app for Android to iPhone, enables you to move data like contacts, photos, and other media files. 2. Move to iOS. Move to iOS, one of the best apps to move data from Android to iOS, is designed to transfer data from Android to iDevices, covering contacts, message history, videos, camera roll, web bookmarks, email accounts, calendars. 3. Shareit. As a great sharing app, Shareit enables users to transfer data from one phone to another, such as movies, music, images, and so on. 4. Zender. With a speed of 40 megabytes per second, Zender assists in sending items like photos, videos, and text documents between devices. 5. Smart Transfer. If you'd like to transfer content like contacts, calendars, photos, and videos, you can consider Smart Transfer. It is a decent app used to transfer data from Android to iPhone 13, 12, 11 XCR, X's say X876, and vice versa. 6. Copy My Data. Copy My Data is an app to transfer information from Android to iPhone or the other way around. This product can be used to send and receive content over a Wi-Fi network, covering contacts, pictures, calendar entries, and much more.